Stock we will do is Michael's, the craft store,
What's their
nationwide.
ticker?
MIK. Thanks, Mo. MIK. We are joined by Trader Mo.
The day after MLK.
That's right. We are joined by Trader Mo, trading specialist and day trader, here to answer your questions as always on the chat. He's here live with us. We love you, handsome gentleman.
Thank
Paul,
you.
let's look at Michael's. What is the market cap of this cool company?
2.3 billion. PE 10.
Okay, that's good, right? Yes.
Yes. Profit margin is about 4%.
Not 10%, which
Last
was what
quarter
we
was
want.
7.9, so still an X either way. We have one check and one X. No dividend being paid, nothing in the past, so move on from that.
Revenue growth over the past 5 years is pillar number free. Free.
On a technicality, it is up. 4.9 versus 5.07. It went up and then fell, so it's falling right now. I get all my framing done at Michael's. Let's see what the last 12 months have looked like.
Please do.
They did before the recession, the shutdown, they did 5.07. Now they're down to, the exact same number. So they're actually pretty steady. They held steady. I'm kind of surprised by that. Profit.
Profit growth, pillar number 4.
X.
Oh, no.
363 down to 272.
How about shares outstanding, pillar number 5? I can hardly host the show because the people commenting are so hilarious. I mean,
207 down to 153. Check mark.
that's good. Giroy says, stop wasting your money on those watches and buy more Tesla cars for patrons. That is an amazing comment. Two of you patrons this year will be taking home a Tesla Model 3. This is this year's giveaway. We've mentioned this in other videos.
Well, 50,000 subscribers and 100,000 subscribers, which we both think will happen this year.
Yeah, so we've mentioned in other videos that like the major world famous YouTubers give away 10 grand when they hit 1 million subscribers. For some reason, your Uncle Paul is going to give away 2 Teslas when we hit 50,000. That's how much this channel means to us, and this is amazing patrons that we have supporting us. So follow along. 2 of our patrons will be driving Teslas this year. Should we keep going, Paul?
Current assets, 2.1 billion. Current liabilities, 1.74. So check mark there.
Check mark for pillar number 6?
Yep.
How about pillar number 7, free cash flow growth?
Okay, so free cash flow growth. So 504 minus 123 is 480 and 315.
Uh-oh.
X.
Going down?
Yeah, this is not good. 450. Yeah, 450. 395 and 300.
The average free cash flow is 388. You're not in love with Michael's. I can tell it in your voice, Paul.
I'm not. What was the market cap?
2.3 billion.
Okay.
Go
That's
on.
not bad. So it's a check mark for the price of free cash flow of 20. But I actually want to pay, this thing is decreasing. I actually thought 7 or 8, which is about 2.3 billion. I mean, I think it's actually not bad at the current price for free cash flow. Let's see how the last 12 months have done free cash flow wise.
The comments always, as always, bust me up. D. White saying that Seth still cannot get the Tesla giveaway correct. You are correct. And at some point, I'll figure out what we're doing. But the Teslas are. Uh-oh, Paul, what do you got?
Their free cash flow in this last 12 months was $940 million.
940?
Yeah.
Free cash flow?
In the last 12 months.
For a company worth 2.3 billion.
Okay, so here's a red flag to me. How did they go from free cash flow in 2019 of 315 to all of a sudden 940 million or whatever it is?
People crafting during COVID?
That's 3 times free cash flow.
That's a lot of crafts.
Mo. It's a lot of crafts.
So guys, you got to understand that, because if it's sustainable, which I don't think it's sustainable, there might be some financial reason why they liquidated a lot of something. I don't know what it is, but that's a huge jump in free cash flow. To triple over a shutdown.
What's your take home on Michael's? People
Do more
are asking.
research, but I'm not opposed to this, because even if it's able to stabilize at 330 or 300 million, if it's able to stabilize at $300 million a year in free cash flow, you're good, because you're only paying not even 8 times free cash flow.
This is an interesting stock, Paul. Maybe we should do a Patreon-only video and maybe go a little deeper into 10K.
That's not a bad idea.
Yeah, I'll make note of that. Patrons, be ready.
Write that down.
Yeah, write that down.